So I guess it looks like Robin has the first question there.
Yeah,
Barb,
how
I'm not
long
sure.
ago did you start the ARTyRV live stream?
Wow, Barb, I'm gonna let you answer that.
I have no idea. Maybe 3 years
I
ago?
think it was about three. It seems to be about 3 years, because some of y'all have been with us when we had 100 subscribers, and we were just trying to limp along and get, how many did we need to get? 1,000?
I was watching a video the other day where we had 200 subscribers.
Oh my
We had
gosh.
just come back from an RV trip where we froze half to smithereens. We were frozen solid.
Half to
And I think it
smithereens.
was our first RV trip.
The one that got really cold for
20
Christmas? Okay.
degrees.
Yeah, so that's the weekend we rented a golf cart, and we
Froze
and
to death.
Dixie was still with us
Yeah.
at that point. Yeah,
But anyway,
so
that was an
anyway,
experience.
It was.
And I don't know why.
So
I mean,
200 subscribers, and now we're at 32,000 and some change. And guys, we couldn't do that without you guys. So
and we're just as grateful as we were back then.
Yeah.
More so, 32,000
32,000
more so.
more grateful. So that's really a significant jump, and we're happy to do that. And it only took us 3 years, which is a short period of time. So